And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the Prime Minister and opposition leader head the list of most popular politicians heading into the next general election.
The findings were revealed in the latest RJRGleaner Don Anderson polls.
Andrea Chisholm reports.
The Cabinet initiates policies and programs for the people of Jamaica. It consists of the Prime Minister and other ministers responsible for different portfolios. From May 16 to June 7, 1,033 registered voters across all parishes were asked. Can you name 5 cabinet ministers?
We asked persons spontaneously, no prompting at all. So what did we find? The cabinet minister who was most visible, who was the one who was mentioned most often, was understandably the Prime Minister.
53% of respondents mentioned Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness first. He was followed by Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton with 37%.
Every time we do a succession kind of question, Tufton comes up right up at the top.
Third in line was Sports, Culture and Entertainment Minister Olivia Babsy-Grange, 31%. Finance Minister Favour Williams came in fourth with 27%, and Local Government Minister Desmond Mackenzie fifth, 25%. Other notable mentions: National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang, Energy, Science, Telecommunications and Transport Minister Darrell Vaz, Agriculture and Fisheries Minister Floyd Green, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett, Labour and Social Security Minister Pernell Charles Jr. and Everald Warmington. Interestingly though, Warmington is no longer a member of the cabinet. He was booted from the Works portfolio. Similarly, respondents were asked, can you name 5 opposition spokespersons? Pollster and head of Market Research Services Don Anderson gave the responses to the open-ended question.
One mention was Mark Golding. Again, I make the point, nobody was prompted. This was a totally open-ended question. The interviewers recorded what they got.
Opposition leader Mark Golding was mostly mentioned with 57%. Lisa Hanna came in second with 36%, and opposition spokesman on energy and climate change Philip Paulwell was third with 30%. Interestingly, Lisa Hanna is no longer a member of the shadow cabinet, just a member of parliament. She is not expected to contest the next general election. Opposition spokesman on finance Julian Robinson was fourth at 26%, followed by opposition spokesman on foreign and regional affairs Dr. Angela Brown-Burke, 22%. Other notable mentions: opposition spokesman on transport and mining Michael Phillips, and Senator Damian Crawford, opposition spokesman on education and community development.
Well, 22% said they couldn't think of anybody from the government side. 26% said they couldn't think of anybody from the opposition side. So you'll know that the rest of the numbers are relatively small.
The RJRGleaner Don Anderson poll has a margin of error of plus or minus 3%. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.